kanong mi khmat barim na kaseng NPP na salsela ka Ferlen CH Marak ka brang shuino kam shen na yung dorbar thauan banlet penyaso iladi bat kaseng BGP kalaong ba kiladon jingtmu ban pet seng na mar ka jingdon jong ka jingkunrum kenram hapo kaseng kalaong ba watla haki jong ki constituency ru ngi hab banong bat ngila sha ban be katba MLA barem karak samgre u Benedict R Marak ulaong ba ulalong UCEM jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council Henry ulabu e ka jingkli ba balay menteri rang ba u Konrad K Sangma ulale kiarya u ulaong ruba ka jingle akmanya ka Christmas kalajan bat kinong tray jong ka GHADC kila day banyo ka tulab ka jongki kabala kila yuyay up mentala laisnem.
I've been chief executive member last 8 months. Our district council, Christmas is so near, only 1 week left, but salary is still pending. 3 years above is going up.